Hello friends, I am Sahil and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So I would like to say one thing. I think every person wants to learn English language without spending money and without work hard. So if you are no practice, so you will never learn English language. So practice is very important. Neither you, whether you all facilities means you join to institute and you join to best teacher for learning English language. If you don't practice, so you will not never English language. So this is my first blog for English I know I will more mistake, but one day my English most improve language. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.